Hey everybody, this is Matt from CSS Off-Road. Today we're going to be talking about cowl guards. This is a rather inexpensive way to modify your Jeep and to protect this area here. A lot of people will go to take their doors off and they take the strap off, wind gets a hold of their door, and your mirror here will actually create a dimple on your cowl. So this is an inexpensive way. I think I paid $12.99 on Amazon for these. These are the EAG brand. So we're going to go ahead and put them on. So the first thing you want to do is you want to grab some isopropyl alcohol and a rag. Get a little bit on there. Let it absorb. Then you just want to clean this area. You want to remove any impurities, any wax buildup, quick detail, dirt, whatever may be on here. Just wipe that clean. Get a good clean surface for it to bond to. And on the back of these, there is 3M sticky tape. And what you want to do, clean the surface, peel the tape, and we'll go ahead and stick it on. Okay, now you want to line this up, get it in the right position. So this one is going to go just like this. I'm going to line it up on the top, line it up on the front. And once you get it lined up, you want to just kind of sit here and hold it. Put some decent pressure on it, maybe for 15, 20, 30 seconds. Just make sure it gets all that tape adhesed. And I've heard some people talk about, will the tape ruin my paint? Will it damage anything? The answer is no. If you use mineral oil, it'll actually take the adhesive off if you decide to switch to, say, another brand, or just decide to take them off because you don't like them, or whatever the case may be. Just use a little bit of mineral oil and it'll take the adhesive right off. All right, it's good and stuck on. Good to go. Installation for the other side is the exact same. On this side, you can actually see the previous owner, wasn't me, actually did dent this cowl, and it's got a nice little shiner there. So this right here is actually going to cover that up, give it a nice little look, and protect it from future things. So same thing, just peel your tape. Actually, getting ahead of myself. Put a little alcohol in the rag. And just clean this area, any contaminants, any old wax or anything, bugs, dirt. Alcohol's dry. I'm just going to peel your tape off. Alright, same thing. I'm going to kind of line this up on that top edge and the front edge. Make sure it's good and straight. Make sure it lines up well in the front. And you just want to press it down. Make sure you get all the way around the edges where that tape is. You want it to bond really well to the surface. Kind of push in the middle so it kind of flexes out and grabs onto the cowl. And there you go. No more dent. Looks a little bit more stylish. It'll protect this from the door hitting it if you go to take the door off. If you're on the trail, at least this will be protected. Maybe later we'll talk about limb risers, but there you go. That's pretty much it. Very easy install. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you from CSS Off-Road.